Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can customize your iOS to look very aesthetic, and we can dive in. This is an example of how you can add a widget. All you have to do is to hold your screen. When icons start vibrate, you click add and you'll be able to add widgets. Now, in addition to that, you can also customize them to look in a certain way that you would prefer. And you can use an app called Color Widgets to customize your widgets to become as aesthetic as you can get it. And we're going to use this example right here. It's very easy to use. It's very simple. It has a wide range of options. You can see here I can have it in square or rectangle. I've even changed the color to a dark theme that I usually prefer. You can select a wide range of color. You can mix your own color blends and color combinations. As you can see, I'm going to stick with the dark theme. And another thing about your color widgets is you can go ahead and customize the fonts that you want to use. As you can see, I'm customizing my fonts. It's very easy to use. A wide range of fonts. Some are premium, some are free, and you can select one that you feel is going with the theme that you want to set in your iOS. And I'm going to use this one. It looks a little bit like a Halloween-ish theme. You can also go ahead and add an image. I'm just going to go ahead and add an image right here. And I'm going to add this image right here of this car, and it looks very neon, very cool, chill type theme. And you can also go ahead and set widget, and you can see that I have my widget in my menu. And that is how you do it, guys. It's very easy. All you have to do is download color widgets and you can set it. Please leave a like and subscribe.